to the car wash, and they have like every car wash is really busy today because it's like 40-50 degrees here in New York City, so everyone's having, you know, washing their cars and stuff. So I'm doing the poor people's car wash, you know, using soap and rag. I already cleaned a little bit of that side. I have all this to go, all that to go. All right guys, so finished cleaning the car. Basically this is what I use, poor people's car wash for the snow. Alright, so I only use this, what is it? I use that to clean. It has soap in it. And for the wheels and my tire letters, use that. I use that for the tire letters. So pretty much every car wash was really busy because it's really nice. So I cleaned the tire letters. It's not bad, you know. Clean the interior too a little bit. No back seats. You know why? Because a race car, bitch. Right there, I got for the GoPro thing. And now, you know, some bad news. I was going up the driveway in the mall, and I really fucked up my lip. So no front lip. I cracked my type 1. I cracked my type 1 diffuser. There you go. I can have. I have the other one here. As a matter of fact, I have it over there. So yeah, so I cracked the bumper really bad. So it's getting painted. I got new top 1 splitters. I got new bumper as well because this bumper is really bad. See that? It has a crack right there. Overall, it's not a bad job. The car came out alright, you know. It's not as bad. You know, it's decent, presentable. That's a nice picture right there. Yeah, so it's not as bad, guys. You know, it took me a long time though, but I saved money by cleaning it by myself, you know. Alright guys, until next time.